Alright everybody, welcome back. Hey, so I got the final for the 1990 Oldsmobile. This is the Kodak NASCAR Oldsmobile driven by Ernie Irvan. The classic number 4 yellow paint scheme. So I gotta tell you, this model, pretty cool. So this comes out of the 2-pack of Kodak cars. It also has the 1987 Delta 88 in it, which I believe was driven by Rick Mast. I could be wrong on that, but I'll double check that. But yeah, so here is the Ernie Irvan Oldsmobile. Came out pretty decent. It's got a couple little minor issues to it, like you can see on this side. It sits higher on this side. I don't know why. You can see it kind of it's going that way to the driver's side there. I played with the roll cage a little bit, and I thought there was a couple pieces not missing, but hitting. But apparently I was wrong. It's sitting like this. So we'll display it this way. So let me give you a quick what I did with it. The roll cage is just standard NASCAR roll cage. Nothing special if you know how to build them. They're pretty cool. Underneath. Alright, there you go. My hood fell off. The paint, the window came off. Let's put that back on there. I have to glue the window back on. Alright, the paint is Tamiya Camel Yellow over just gray primer. That's how you get that nice shade of yellow. I think it looks very cool. You got to paint the front grille in there. As you can see, this is not my best work, but it did pretty decent. Decals were a little difficult on this one. You know, being a 30-year-old model kit, they did not lay down perfectly. If I were to do this again, I would lay down this back piece here. This whole back decal here is one piece. I'd lay that down first because then I could even up the Kodak film in the front there. You see how it's not quite even up on either side there. That side's a little bit better. But I definitely would have done the rear bumper first. I did that one last. And if you're doing this kit, cut the Kodak off the gold film, because it's like the Kodak and then the gold film. Cut that off because you'll never get it even. Let's open up the hood here real quick. I'm going to make this a quick video here. Standard stock, straight out of the box, nothing special. The hood, boom. So I did, I've been doing this with my NASCARs here. When I get the paint job to where I like it, I will put a couple coats of quick shine floor polish on it, and then I do the decals, and then I put the quick shine floor polish on top of it. It probably has about 20-25 coats of quick shine floor polish on top of the decals. But I noticed the decals seem to lay down really, really well when it has a layer of wax on it already. So little tip there. So yeah, here is my 1990 Ernie Irvan Oldsmobile by Monogram. There'll be some pictures at the end here. Hey everybody, I appreciate everybody watching. Like, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. Write me if you want to write me. I always write everybody back. So everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope it's the best. I'll talk to you guys later.